Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. Today we're going to do an unofficial unboxing for another pair of bright chrome M frames. And I know you guys like those M frames because our first video was the original pair, bright chrome with slate iridium. And if I find the time, I'll link that below in the description in case you haven't seen that. But definitely check that out, and definitely check out my book. It's motivational, it's educational, it's inspirational. Why don't you zoom in, camera lady, so they can see it better. Make sure there's no glare on the cover. It's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money. It's a great and fun and entertaining read. Links will definitely be below in the description for this, because this book will change your life. Stop laughing, camera lady. It will really change your life. So check it out. Also, guys, be sure to check out our other videos. Be sure to like, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys, because why would you want to do something like that? So let's check these out. So these are customized bright chrome with ice iridium lenses. So you guys know bright chrome is a full metal jacket frame, or FMJ frame. No longer produced, obviously, but they produced this frame for quite a while. Come on in. And interestingly, this box is not the original black box that you had from the late 90s or early 2000s. This is the revised box that they came out with after that. So that's just an indication that, yes, the bright chrome M frame was so popular that they continued producing it for a number of years. But we've got our tag here, and it says, this is the correct tag, right? M frame, sweep, bright chrome with slate iridium. Now again, this is not the slate iridium, this is the ice iridium. And here's your SKU right here. Can we zoom in on that so they can see it? 09-176. So you can see this is it. And yeah, you can see they were $170 back in the day. But let's open these up, let's check these out. And of course you got your warranty, registration information in here, right? And you got your Oakleys. And again, bright chrome is a beautiful frame because it's going to go good with any, literally any color. Come on in, so we can see these. And we're taking, wow, look at these. They have that bling. They have that nice, shiny frame. I kind of wish they would have done these. Actually, they did do them in Pro M frames. Oh, wow. Look at these. And we actually elevated these guys. Check these out. I forgot about this. This is crazy. Look at this. We actually elevated these. We've got the anodized blue icons on here and the blue ear socks. Because remember, these were originally equipped with gunmetal icons, black ear socks, and they still would have looked great, but how much better do they look with that blue? I actually forgot about that. That's crazy. I literally just grabbed these off the shelves, didn't even look at them, glanced at them, didn't even look at them, and forgot that this was on there. That is awesome. And of course, we've got our ice iridium lens, right? So this is almost the counterpart, if you guys remember, the FMJ 5.56, right? Also full metal jacket frame, but it was the kind of the white frame, the FMJ 5.56 frame that also had ice iridium lenses, the anodized blue icons, and the blue ear socks. This is the counterpart to that, being with the chrome, or the bright chrome frame. So actually, I'm going to turn out the lights, or I'm going to have my camera lady turn out the lights, because I think you're going to get a better view of these in the natural lighting. Thank you so much. These are beautiful. We'll do a quick zoom in here. Yeah, bright chrome is exceptional. One of my favorite frames. I know my wife is always busting my chops when I say favorite, but I got a lot of favorites, guys, and this is definitely one of them. Should I try these on briefly? Maybe I should try them on. I don't know. Maybe we'll do that next time. Anyway, thank you guys, as always, for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Again, do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.